Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing your bank balance has grown overnight, all without lifting a finger. It sounds almost too good to be true, but for many, this is the ultimate financial goal. That's the promise of passive income, earning without constantly trading your time for money. It's about creating systems and opportunities that keep working for you, even when you're not actively involved. Most of us work for an hour, get paid for an hour. Our income is directly tied to the hours we put in, which can be limiting and exhausting over time. But what if your income kept flowing, even when you stopped working? What if you could earn money while traveling, spending time with family, or simply enjoying life? Passive income flips the script, creating revenue streams that work for you 24/7. Your money starts working as hard as you do, and sometimes even harder. It's not about getting rich quick or never working again. It's about having options and freedom. Passive income gives you the flexibility to choose how you spend your time. Imagine a blog post or YouTube video you made years ago still earning you money today. Your creativity and effort continue to pay off long after the work is done. That's the power of building assets that generate value over time. These assets can grow and compound, creating a snowball effect for your finances. You do the work once and it keeps paying you back. The more you build, the more you can potentially earn, with less effort required in the future. This isn't a secret reserved for a lucky few. Anyone willing to learn and put in the effort can do it. The tools and knowledge are more accessible than ever before. The journey starts with understanding the different ways to create these streams. There are countless paths, and you can choose the ones that fit your skills and interests. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly methods? Affiliate marketing. It's a way to earn commissions by promoting products or services you believe in. You don't need your own products or customer service skills, just a willingness to learn. With the right approach, anyone can get started and see results. Let's dive into how you can start building your own passive income step by step and unlock the freedom you've always wanted. So, what is affiliate marketing? At its core, affiliate marketing is a way for individuals to earn money by promoting products or services created by someone else. It's a partnership between you and a company, where you help connect customers to things they might love or need. Imagine recommending a great restaurant to a friend and getting paid for it. That's the basic idea, but instead of restaurants, it's often products, apps, or online services. Online, you recommend products you love, share your experiences, and help others make informed choices. When someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. This link tracks the sale back to you, so you get credit for the referral. The customer gets a trusted recommendation, the company gets a new customer, and you get paid. It's a win-win-win for everyone involved. You don't create products or handle support. Your job is to build trust and share honest reviews. You're the bridge between the company and the customer, focusing on sharing value. People are always searching for solutions, whether it's the best gadget, a helpful tool, or advice on what to buy next. As an affiliate, you create content that answers their questions, solves their problems, and guides them toward the right choices. Place your affiliate link in your content, and when your audience finds value, they're more likely to buy through your recommendation. You don't need a business degree or big budget, just a passion and a platform to share your voice and ideas. Your platform could be a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media, anywhere you can reach and influence people. Focus on serving a specific audience, and as your community grows, so does your earning potential. The more trust you build, the more likely people are to follow your recommendations. One great piece of content can earn you commissions for years, making affiliate marketing a powerful way to build long-term passive income. The first step in affiliate marketing is choosing a niche, a specific topic you'll focus on. Pick something you're genuinely interested in. Your passion makes your content authentic and engaging. Don't try to talk about everything. Narrow your focus to attract a dedicated audience. For example, instead of general fitness, focus on fitness for busy moms over 40. This lets you tailor your content and build trust with a specific group. Research your niche. Are others creating content? Are there products to promote? Look for online courses, software, or gear your audience would value. Find the sweet spot between passion and profitability. Don't get stuck searching for the perfect niche. Just start. You can always refine your focus later. The most important thing is to take action and begin serving your audience. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to build your platform, your home online. The most common is a blog, where you own your content and attract visitors from search engines. YouTube is another powerful option if you're comfortable on camera. Video builds trust fast. Podcasts are great if you prefer speaking. You can connect deeply with listeners. No matter your choice, consistency is key. Even if your main platform is YouTube or a podcast, having a simple website is smart. Your website acts as your central hub where you can house resources and build an email list. You don't need to be a tech expert. Platforms like WordPress make it easy. Choose a platform you enjoy and commit to creating valuable content. Your platform is the foundation of your affiliate business. Build a space you're proud of, and your audience will follow. Now let's talk about choosing products to promote. This is where trust matters most. Only recommend products you truly believe in and would suggest to a friend. Start with products you already use and love in your niche. Share your personal experience. This makes your recommendations powerful. Find affiliate programs by searching for the company name plus affiliate program. Or join networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Pay attention to commission rates and cookie duration. Don't just chase high-ticket items. A mix of products is best. Promote what fits your audience's needs and solves their problems. Your goal: be a helpful resource, not a pushy salesperson. Real people from all walks of life have built life-changing income streams with affiliate marketing. These aren't just rare success stories, they're proof that ordinary people can achieve extraordinary results. Take Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, for example. She started a simple blog to share her journey paying off student loans and credit card debt, never expecting it would change her life. By recommending the tools and resources she genuinely used, Michelle now earns over $50,000 a month, while traveling full-time across the country in an RV, living the life she once only dreamed about. The Wirecutter started as a small, trusted review site, obsessively testing products to help people make better buying decisions. Their honest, in-depth recommendations turned into a multi-million-dollar business, eventually being acquired by the New York Times. Marks Brownlee, better known as MKBHD, started making tech videos as a teenager in his bedroom, using whatever equipment he could afford. His honest, high-quality reviews built a massive global audience, and today, his affiliate links generate significant passive income, proving you can start small and grow big. What do all these people have in common? Consistency, authenticity, and a genuine focus on helping their audience solve real problems. None of them started out famous or with a huge following, they just took the first step, even when it felt uncertain. These stories prove you don't need to be a celebrity, a tech genius, or a big company to succeed in affiliate marketing. Start with your passion, serve your audience, and build trust. One post, one video, or one recommendation at a time. Success comes from small, consistent actions over time. Every bit of progress adds up, even if it feels slow at first. Your journey begins with your very first piece of content. That first step is the most important one you'll ever take. You can build your own trusted corner of the internet no matter your background or experience. The only way to fail is not to start. So take that first step today and see where your journey leads. We've covered the dream of passive income and the steps to start your affiliate marketing business. You've seen real-life examples, now it's your turn. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a real business model that rewards authenticity and effort. The hardest part is getting started, but you have a unique voice and perspective the world needs. That's why I'm inviting you to a free, exclusive online workshop for beginners. I'll show you the exact strategies I use to build my own six-figure affiliate business. We'll dive deeper into finding your niche, avoiding mistakes, and creating content that converts. This is your moment. Take control of your financial future. Click the link below to reserve your spot. It's free and it could change your life. I can't wait to see you there.